just gonna show you how I do this. Putting on, this is actually a brand new bag. So I'm just putting that on. When I don't have somebody to help me, I just hang this up on a hanger somewhere. But first I open up this one before I get started. And I have one of those churro sticks, but I cut it up into pieces and put it on a plate so that it takes him longer to lick it. So I'm gonna give him that. You wanna make sure that the pointy end of the needle is down. You can see a little hole on it. So I'm just gonna come over here. Come here, Declan. Grab the top, put it in, and then undo this. And you can tell it's moving because it's bubbling over here.
Dripping.
Can you hold on the other side actually so I can kind of see where it is.
Is it 1,000 in there?
It's 1,000. This one doesn't have the numbers along the side, so we're gonna have to kind of guess. But then what I do is I just come and kind of press the stuff out of here, the food, so it takes him a while to get to it. And of course Shay would like some also.
See it?
Yep. And he does let me squeeze it so it goes a little bit faster.
He's still working on 'em.
Yeah, he's still going. So I just gotta make sure this keeps him occupied because he will walk off when he runs out of food.
He's about to run out.
We're close. Okay, and then just turn one of these. Make sure it's off, and you just pull it out, and that's it. See if you hit the...
Are we done?
Yes, we're done.